Welcome to this on-demand session where I'm going to introduce you to command words. We recognise that as a teacher, you will have a lot of teaching experience. However, you may want to learn more about command words. This training forms part of our support for T-Level core exams, introduces the concept of command words, and will help you understand the common command words used in Pearson T-Level technical qualifications. I'll start by sharing the origin of command words. Then we'll take a look at their importance, as understanding command words is important as it helps clarify the expectations of the assessment, what is being asked for, in terms of the response and the type of response required. Understanding command words in more detail will help you enhance your teaching strategies. And sharing command word meanings and examples with your students can improve their understanding and clarity in instructions, enhancing their learning experience. I'll also walk you through the command words we use in our T-Level core exams. Most of you will all be familiar with Bloom's taxonomy. It consists of 6 levels, from easier tasks at the base to more complex and challenging ones at the top. They are action words, describing cognitive processes, and will help your students understand the expectations of the question in the exam. The taxonomy is a fancy way of saying that each exam has a set of command words. At Pearson, we have a simple rule that there is a single command word for every question. You will see every command word used across the T-Level specimen assessment materials. It might be that exam papers have different command words, but you'll see them by just looking at a question. Each command word has a defined tariff. This supports the type of response needed to answer the question. This slide shows the command word and the type of response or outcome required against the cognitive domain. Command words are key terms in assessment criteria that guide students on what actions to take to meet learning objectives. For students, understanding the command word is crucial. It will help them grasp the demands of the question and what it is asking them to do. The rest of the wording provides context and may contain key words that influence how they should respond to the question. The command word is often among the first words in the question. Here are the command words we use in our T-Level core exams. Now you might ask, why haven't you got the same command words across all the T-Levels? Well, a good example is the examine command word, which only appears in the T-Level in legal services, because in legal, your students will examine a precedent. It's different to an evaluation, because students don't evaluate in legal, they will just examine a piece of law and give an unbiased summary, whereas in media or digital, students will evaluate, they will give some kind of conclusion or recommendation. Likewise in media, you wouldn't expect students to calculate, but it does appear in construction. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you found this introduction useful. Please take time to utilize the rest of our training and support for the T-Level core exams.